What is up, guys? George here. So on today's video we are looking at the Egg laptop. This is designed by Shun Ikejima. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. As you can see, this is his personal website. Let me see here. So the Egg laptop is designed in 2022. It's 3D print. It runs on Raspberry Pi. It's got a keyboard, and it is a PC laptop. So let's look a closer look into it. As you can see, it's got a very simple I would say generic design, but it looks pretty cool. Let's see here. I'm gonna look at it. So that's the size of it. As you can see, there's this floppy disk right there. That's the size, and that's the actual size of the computer. So it's pretty small, very small. Alright, so let's check out the spec. It's Raspberry Pi 0W. It's got a 7-inch LCD display, 48 key ortho linear keyboard, and the size of 198 by 190 by 34. Let's see, this is the background, or the back of it. Oh, it's okay, that's cool. Design. So he designed it using cat query, and he found something. He found like similar laptops, and he found this laptop right here. Here's laptop. Let's look at it. So he kind of took this design and kind of based it around it. The design, it looks pretty cool. And the keyboard, use a Cherry MX key switch. Software, again, it runs on Raspberry Pi. Not sure what those is in Japanese. I'm not really sure. It's probably okay. It's probably the same as right here. So it is a pretty cool design that I like it. Here's a bigger look at this, the inside of it, inside the keys. You can see. Alright, let's check out his home. So he does a lot of projects, like something similar like that. As you can see, he designed the portable Cube PC. He did the 3MK 3D mini keyboard. That's cool. And he's got a lot more projects. But this is his latest project, which is called the Egg laptop. And I'll leave a link below so you guys can check out this project and his past other projects that he had done. Again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.